guys.
Hey guys! Hey guys!
Famous YouTuber.
Hey guys! Today I'm gonna start a survival series with my brother Yael here. Oh, little brother. Hello, boom! Yes. Oh, stop. Okay, stop.
Chill out.
Should I do face reveal on my brother? Let me know in the comments down below.
Of course I have a face now.
Okay, just in our next video, we're gonna make the face reveal. If you're excited for that, leave a like.
Wait.
Leave a like,
Okay,
okay?
guys. I got a magic, guys. I can turn off my
Yeah,
face
that's right.
and turn it on, off, and I turn it on. And look at this, guys.
You should check his channel. Type Yael Adventure on the YouTube. Link in the description. His channel is there,
My big brothers have so many
and that's his
subscribers.
little face in there.
It's so many subscribers.
Shut up, okay? Go subscribe to my brother's channel, Yael Adventure. Just type that.
Of course, my this thing.
This is my little brother Yael because he is so makulit. Okay, so let's make. Oh my gosh, okay, let's make that. And boom, bang. What's a crafting there?
What are you doing?
You need to start making sword or pickaxe.
Or pickaxe.
Okay, I'm gonna chop wood.
Oh my god. No! What am I using there?
Yeah, shut up. Just okay, this is normal, not cheating. Okay.
Okay, I'm not cheating, bro.
Itatandi kita di noche.
Takida, look.
Oh yeah. Okay, so what are we gonna do?
I have done and go to the YouTuber Flickr Gaming.
Yeah, that's right.
Corona.
Okay, enough talking. Let's start.
Let's start.
You stay there. I'm gonna go mining.
You're gonna go mining. Of course I will.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. I found village. It's abandoned village.
Where? Where did you find it? Where did you go?
Follow me.
Wait, it's in there? Wait.
Yeah, did you see it?
Wait, I not.
Follow me.
I can see it!
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Okay, look through all the chests.
Guys,
Oh, let's get the food. The food.
it's so invented.
I want the food. Give me the food, everybody.
Oh my god!
Especially wheat because I need bread and I need.
You told me villager can not take a bath.
Can you get your food? Get some food in the farm.
Okay, wait, I'm lagging. I am from Minecraft.
Okay, let's make.
Bring this, then you're ding dong. I don't like to.
They're zombie villagers.
Can you please hire some 1, 2 weeks? You're crazy.
Yael here is the farm.
Huh?
Dummy.
Wait.
I'm the beetroot.
This one's my part of my carrot.
Ooh, my beetroot, everybody.
Of course I love carrots. It's a vegetable.
And it's healthy. Yeah.
I'm eating carrots back in
That's my carrot. I'll get that.
No, that's my carrot. I said team
Yeah.
I said team carrots.
Ah, mysterious massive is the virus. Okay.
What coronavirus? You don't talk.
Coronavirus.
That's a bad person.
Okay. Let's
Bread.
go put that there, and I'm gonna grab bread.
Bread. What's that? Oh my god.
Let me cut.
Be careful, guys. There's a
No, don't fight them. Don't fight them. Don't fight them.
And you fight it.
No, I'm gonna quickly grab this sugar cane.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yael. Wait. Shut up, you're so annoying. Shut up. Leather armor. I found leather armor. I found leather armor, Yael.
Wait, you found leather armor?
Oh, come here.
Wait. Okay.
I'll give you a leather armor.
Leather armor.
But you have only, look, 2 leather armor and I have 3. We're mine, dude.
Yeah, 3.
Yeah.
3.
I'm gonna eat some bread. I'm hungry.
I'm not hungry. Oh my god. What? Hey, can you save me?
No, use your sword.
Not swords. I can break the sand.
There's no in the chest. Did you get it?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, I found emeralds.
Emerald. Oh, that's good. Okay, good idea, Yael. Good idea. Boom.
Can you help me find myself?
No, I don't care. Ah! What the? Oh my gosh. You stay away. Let me grab this bed, Rubayo. This is my bed now.
Wait, I'm trying to break in the bed. Of course, wait.
Break the bed, dummy.
Wait.
I have so many food, apples.
I can bring some plants away.
Oh yeah, food.
Where is your house?
And I have your favorite flower, of course. Your yellow flower.
Look at this. I need
Oh, hello.
Yes.
Is there a chest there? No.
Look at this.
Sorry, sir. Can deal today. Ow! I just fell in water. Ow!
I'm stuck in cobweb. Oh my god.
You're stuck in coven. I am stuck in water.
You have to. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're really just disgusting. Wait, what's this? Is a flowing house?
Yeah, let's build a house.
Wait, there's a. Oh my god! Oh my god!
What the frick, dude? What is happening?
Oh my god! We have yellow bed. That's my.
No, I fell again.
Yellow bed. That's my bed. My favorite color is yellow and red. And we have. Oh my god! Do you see that? I'm so close to falling water.
That's bad.
Parkour. I am a pro.
That's a lifesaver.
I don't know how to say nafta, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Now you're in. I'm gonna build my house here. Here, I'm gonna build my house here.
Can you upgrade this?
Yeah, come here. See me. I'm gonna build my house here in your background. I'm gonna build my house here.
I didn't see your name.
Here. Behind you. I'm gonna build my house here. Don't get in here.
Okay, you
I'm
guys.
gonna grab some stone pickaxe and I found iron in the water.
Wait, this is my
I
house.
found iron. Look at this, Yael.
Wait, look at this.
Oh.
Wait, look at this in the camera. Look at this.
What?
There's when I built this house, when I broke this cobwebs, I need to build my house here.
Okay, I know.
But
That's your house. That's leme.
please, that's the house. Oh no, I destroyed the bed. I got.
Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm drowning. Help me. Oh, yeah.
Oh no, I'm not helping you.
Yeah, of course, I know.
Wait, it's empty.
Give me back that.
This-
No, I don't want to throw. No.
Put this in here. And
Okay, give me the iron.
oh, we can get.
Oh my gosh, chopstick is a nothing. Okay. Come on, give me the iron. Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay, that's why I have dirt here. So let's.
Let's do without mud.
Okay, let's grab that. Yay. Life hack.
Okay, this thing's the my.
I have a life hack. I found iron. And
Wait.
you're loose.
No, what's it? My house is so broken. But
I found an iron, baby.
I'm not baby, bro. I'm not. Oh my god, I'm hungry.
I need to chop down wood. Okay. Stay there. I'm gonna go chop down wood. That would have been. No, that's a tree. That's. I will not. Don't chop this tree. Okay. This is so nice.
Okay, calm down.
Where is?
You want some fish?
Oh my gosh! I have no choice. I need to chop down this tree.
360. Wait.
I need wood. Sorry, I need wood.
Kaboom. Okay, boom.
Come on.
No.
Secret pro trick.
Where's the?
Give me that. Okay, thank you. Oh, should I Ruba design? Yeah, Ruba
Yes,
design.
I have yellow bed.
Yes, a Ruba design.
Okay, we need to sleep.
Oh, we need to mining, dude.
No, we are asleep, and the creeper's coming to my
No, I
house.
don't care. It's not keep inventory. Fine, I'll do it. I'll sleep. But first, I'm gonna chop down this wood. So I. Wait, a sheep. Give me
Ow.
sheep.
Oh my god. We need to hurry. We need to sleep together. Oh my god. I'm gonna get. Okay, just sleep.
Yeah, I'm a monster. Dumb.
I'm not dumb.
Dumb.
Yes, thank you very much.
Dumb. You're so dumb. You're so slow. You're so slow.
Okay, when I have this door, before.
You're so slow. You're so slow.
I don't stop talking like that, bro.
Okay, I don't care.
Here's your door. I have brick door.
Wait, no, I don't want bridge door. Ugly. Disgusting. I want oak door. Okay.
Lock door?
Oak door, dumb. Okay. Let me grab some stick and I grab some sabel.
You're so funny, bro.
I need to grab sabel. Okay, sabel.
Oh, guys, I'm taking control of me.
Wow, the flint! I found the flint. Oh, yeah. Did I found a flint? Yeah, I have flint. Okay. Give gravel. I want gravel.
Gravel.
Bad gravel ruined my life. No gravel.
Oh, there's gravel.
Oh, I know. Boom!
There's gravel.
Boom! I'm gonna quickly grab this sand. So,
I need to get some sand before.
No, I need a glass.
I need a glass too. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, there's a little
Oh my gosh, no!
There's a little water in here.
Stop.
I feel it again. You're something about it. That's not
Give me that.
funny.
Yes,
You're
I
saying about funny.
Okay.
Guys,
Now,
look at
there's no longer funny.
That's-
Okay. You stay there. I'm gonna go mine. First, I need to put this log here. So, I built my house here.
Look at guys. It's my kuya. I video
Okay.
it for you. Parang
Yes.
you're gaming, of course.
Okay, guys. Tomorrow, we're gonna do the face reveal of my brother. Are you excited, everybody? Yeah, of course. Okay, so let's grab this.
Okay, guys, we get something about it. I see freezes on the camera. And
Okay, let's chop down wood again
click
because I
this
want.
thing about
This is wrong.
it. Look at this. You can put
Today, I'm gonna go mining. You stay
it
here.
in your bag, of course.
No, if you want to go mining with me, then you go.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Mining with me.
No, I'm not mine, guys. I'm not sure about this.
Mining is the most important thing in survival. Because you saka iron, diamond, or everything.
Where's the coal? And you found
I'm gonna go mining. You stay here. You understand?
Okay, yes. Found some coal.
I need. You need coal?
Yes.
Okay.
Drones in here.
Bye.
Ouch. Oh, take that.
Bye, Yael.
Bye.
Okay, guys.
See this?
Okay.
I want to drop gold. No, why not? Not one. Okay.
I need to find some cave. Okay, I need to find
I
cave.
have emeralds, of course. I'm lucky.
I don't have cave. Where's the cave, Deb?
What's a cave? You don't care about caves.
I care about caves. Can you show coordinates, please?
Fine. No, that's not how survival works.
No! Survival works with coordinates, dumb. Coordinates. Come on! Or else I'll leave the game.
No. Fine.
City Repay Galancina, if I stream. Oh,
Okay. Chill out. Those are coordinates.
dumb. Okay.
I'm gonna face you in here. That's a little bit awesome,
No,
guys.
you're not awesome.
I'm awesome.
Okay, dokie. Face coming order. Okay.
Wait, somebody take me. Power cone?
No, I have no coal.
What cones? What cones about it? Wait, guys, I need to take it first. Guys, wait, I didn't understand it. Let's take
I don't have coal. I need to find coal far away. Oh, there's coal. I found coal.
things.
Maybe there's coal.
Flicker gaming and say things.
Later, later, lamo.
Oh my god.
Later, lamos.
Okay, can you please shut up? Please, I'm trying to.
Later, lamos. That's right. Lamo, lemon. Is that a cave? Oh, yes, I found cave. Okay, let's grab torch here. Torch. I found more coal. Okay, perfect.
Perfect. Where
I
are
got it early. I'm finding go.
you built your house?
Flamingo. Oh.
You built your house?
Yes, don't touch it. That's my house. or else I will touch your house and I'll destroy it and crush my finger.
Fine.
And also I need to grab stone because I need trunk.
Fine.
And I need furnacing.
Can you please quiet? Go.
Shut up. Enough with your face cam. Okay.
Such your face, bro. You're until
Okay, let's grab more torch. Okay.
Okay, let's break this.
And I found coal, Yael. Because you love coal. Oh my god!
No, I did not love cold.
There's skeleton. Bad news. I need to come closer.
Where's the plane?
Come on! Fight it! Come on! Fight!
Where's the plane? Come on. Find the plane. I'm out of my mojang, bro.
Are you crazy? Oh my gosh. I need to...
Give me a plane. Oh. Yes, guys, give me a plane.
How long is my item stay when I die?
Oh.
Stop that. Oh my gosh, your hug! Your game is so laggy. You know.
Why Mojang did this?
No, not Mojang. That's not Mojang's fault. It's the internet's fault.
Oh, your internet's full? Okay.
I'm gonna go to my mine now.
Oh, I need to kill the shape of open pie.
Can you shut up?
I need to start the build. Wow.
Else I'll kill you.
Please, this is
The
my
prick
fault.
of my finger.
Please, and this is my fault.
Okay.
And look at guys.
Then it's your world, so be quiet. I don't care if your world and you're the boss. I don't care.
I'm your band boss, bro.
Okay, enough.
Ouch.
Enough, Yael. Enough.
Okay. Calm down, chill out.
Oh my gosh, this is this cave.
Can I get some dirt because I need to go up?
Okay, I'll dig here. You need dirt? Are you a noob?
No, please, I'm trying to get.
Newbie.
I'm trying to get in. It's in the roof.
Okay, whatever. I don't care.
Okay, let's get in the.
Okay, I don't care, Yael. I don't care what you said.
I'm going to up.
But your luck is strength.
Not what my dirt is so collapsed. I need.
But your luck is strength.
But no, I'm not lucky strength. What's that? What's that lucky strength?
No, I said but your luck is strength.
Lucky strength again?
But your luck is strength.
Oh my god, why is it so stairs like that? That's weird.
Is that your stair? Dirt stair.
No, please, I'm trying to get up and fix my roof.
Okay, I don't care.
And what can I put in here? Oh my god, later. And I
Oh my gosh, gravel. I hate gravel. You hate gravel, right?
of course I hate gravel. Then TikTok
It's annoying.
clean. We can make
I wish the gravel get rid of it. Actually no, because you need flint to get there. But I wish I didn't fall down all the time. So annoying. That's the most annoying thing I've ever
I
seen.
need to craft gold ingot. But how? Gold.
Okay.
No, not gold.
I don't care.
Iron nuggets. Because I need to craft some things and steel.
Gosh, gravel. It's so annoying.
Why is it so better than here?
Is that iron? No, oh my.
I need silk.
I need iron.
I need silk touch. Silk touch mini.
We have no silk touch in here because it's a survival world.
Yes, because
But if I find diamond?
you find diamonds if you're lucky.
Diamond!
You found diamonds?
No, I'm joking.
No, please, come on, don't stand again.
Oh my gosh, gravel is on. My shovel got ruined.
Guys, if you watch this video, guys, if you're making a...
How many gravels are there? Oh my, okay, the video.
Where are you? Where are you? In the house?
So many gravel in there. Realize.
Where did you find the cave? I need to sleep
I didn't
now.
find cave.
Hurry up, it's Thursday night. I need to sleep now.
Wait a minute.
Gonna get out of there fast.
What?
Tight. Why is it? What was that?
Yael. Guess what I found? I found a stronghold. What the?
Stronghold.
What?
What?
I found a stronghold. I'm literally here, and I found this weird.
And where are you?
I'm in a stronghold. Just stay there, Yael.
But where did I find you?
I found a stronghold. Oh my gosh.
Where did I find you? Find you.
Yes, I know. I found a stronghold.
What? Not without clothes?
Shut up, Yael. I'm guessing, okay?
Okay.
And I found a dungeon. Oh my god. And I got bread. And I got Sadel. Oh my gosh, I'm so lucky. Where is this stronghold came from? Oh, yeah, thank you. Thank you, Minecraft Noach. What? How did I find this stronghold literally in the middle of the east? I wish it didn't fail all the time because it's so annoying and so uncomfortable. I found stronghold, what the frick? Oh my gosh. What the? Okay, this is scary. I get to check this later and I didn't find iron yet. And which is so really annoying. But I found stronghold though. This is more than a stronghold. This is just a miracle. Miracle of life.
Okay, guys.
I forgot I
didn't.
didn't bring crafting table, so I put that there.
Of course, guys.
Oh my gosh, I'm in trouble.
You're gonna sleep in Minecraft now, dude. Can you sleep?
Okay, let me craft furnace to smelt my iron. Okay, smelt my iron.
Can you sleep now in Minecraft?
I don't care. I find stronghold. Okay, so let's smelt our iron so
I
we
got
can.
48% now.
No, I found stronghold. If you want to come here.
But how can I find you?
Never mind.
You found a cave?
Because
I'm really excited.
Yeah. Oh yeah, what's up, dude? I found a stronghold. What the? Woo! Woo! Yes, Yashua is the best. Yes, the best. I'm better than Dream.
Green. I think green.
No, I said Dream.
Green.
Dream.
You?
Dream.
Oh, green, of course.
Dream.
Green, Mom?
Hinako.
Okay, fine.
I don't care.
It's a dream. Without YouTubers are dreams.
Yes, I'm better than Dream.
No, the dream is so important. Must be pro than you. Na, 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 na.
Oh no, I'm stuck with my crafting table leather.
Yes, something cutting table. I'm trying to put time.
And your custom, I don't care.
Why is it so white in there?
What
but,
the?
Oh, sorry guys. I'm trying to make
Come on, shovel. Get in your place.
I need to find something about it. Why is it so...
Oh my.
Can you waiting for about... Oh, fine, I'll find you.
Okay, I don't care.
No, I gotta get it. I'm so scared. I gotta blow up my
Oh my
house.
gosh. What the? I found. You know how lucky I am. I found stronghold,
And you're lucky,
which is so good.
because you're my brother, of course. You're up there.
Shut up. I'm trying
You
to.
cannot shut up, bro.
Bro, did you catch comic pro? Oh,
I said bro.
you said pro.
Bro.
Okay, let's dig down because I want to find a diamond.
Guys, if you watch this video, guys. Okay, guys, and see you next time in the next video. And I'm starting to play.
Are you finishing your video now?
Yes, of course. And I'm trying to sleep in Minecraft, guys. And I can put that.
Oh my gosh, what?
Okay, and see you guys.
Minecraft is so baggy game.
And
It's like Fortnite.
Adventure in a...
Here's why Minecraft is better than Fortnite. Because I love Minecraft. Oh. Okay, whatever. Oh wait, I have stick. Oh my god.
Why are you waiting for us?
I have a lot of torch. So let's dig down and find.
Please, I'm trying to sleep. Or else I will cheat.
Shut up.
Wait, this is my room. And then
There is no point. Please stop.
And you stop too.
So it's below level 5 or something.
Guys, if you see magic, guys, there's no window, guys. Am I see window?
Boom.
And there's this window, brown window.
Yeah, level 13. Okay. Okay, we're gonna more little bit more.
What is that?
I said level 13.
I'm so scared in there.
Let's dig down so I
I'll
level.
find you, I'll find.
Okay, I think there's escape system here.
There's no zombies. How can you find you? I think there's no cave. Or you don't know where is it?
There's no cave. What the?
Can you find? Can I find?
Oh my gosh, there's no escape. You're so slow.
Can you teleport?
No, that's cheating.
Please, I'm trying. Where are you?
Way down.
Please, come on.
Fine, I'll get there. Here. What?
Come on. The zombie is here now, but I'm trying to attack him.
I don't care.
Fine. No, I will sleep.
Oh my gosh, is there a glitch? Okay. I'm strongholding, huh?
Please, can you sleep?
Oh my gosh, is this a glitch?
Wait, guys.
I think I found glitch.
Wait, guys.
What is in here? Oh my gosh, is that a glitch? All stronghold here a glitch. Okay guys, so my brother went AFK.
Okay,
Oh yeah, wait, I told you we're at AFK. But it doesn't matter.
I'm AFK in the bed, bro.
I need to find some
Please
diamonds.
sleep with. I see your name. Where is it coming from?
Okay, so is this the ugly thing that I want? Oh, I found a... Are you digging down? Iron. Okay, found iron, so that's good. And my favorite black dye. What's up?
There are no black dice. I'm coming for you.
I don't care.
I see your name. No.
I said I don't care.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh dear.
One on. Look at this. What have you done? And
What
look
have
at,
I done? I have done nothing.
look at this. The skeleton hit me an house.
It's not my fault.
And your fault. This is your fault.
I didn't do anything, huh?
Please. Can you please protect me?
No, I cannot protect you. I found stronghold.
Please.
Oh
I will
my-
let the game. Look at this. You're
3 drowned? What drowned? Did you drown?
yes.
What the?
I left the game. That is over.
Okay.
And this is over.
They left the game. I don't care. Okay, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. See you in the next episode. And Rachel, the next episode.
Yes, of course. Next episode.
And Yeshua will be back. Bye.